You're struggling with dark knuckles and you're looking for a real and a permanent solution to tackle your dark knuckles, then you are at the right place. On today's video, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about dark knuckles. What are dark knuckles? What causes dark knuckles? Remedies to stop having dark knuckles, and then permanent solution DIY you can prepare at home to stop having dark knuckles. If you're ready, as I'm ready, of course, get your popcorn, stick around with me, and keep watching. Make sure you watch this video right to the very end. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a Gay Hair this series, and on today's video we're going to be talking about dark knuckles. I know this is one of the most challenging skincare issue a lot of us are finding difficult to resolve, treat, and clear. On this video, I'm going to be showing you the natural remedy you can actually use to tackle that your stubborn knuckles. As you can see, I no longer have dark knuckles. So firstly, let's define dark knuckles. What is this dark knuckles? Dark knuckles simply means when the skin in your knuckles suddenly becomes darker than the surrounding areas of your skin. And it could appear very dull, very dry, and rough. We call it dark knuckles. We cannot talk about dark knuckles without knowing the causes of dark knuckles, without knowing the predisposing factors that causes dark knuckles. Now, the first on my list is genetic factor. Genetic factor, that is genetic characteristics. There are some persons that naturally they were born with dark knuckles due to the level of melanin being produced. Now, if your parents or any of your close relation have dark knuckles, there is high probability, there is high chance that you too would also have dark knuckles. But with the right product, it can be resolved, it can be treated, it can be cleared. Yes, that is why this series is here to help. So now the second causes of dark knuckles is you making use of harsh chemicals, products that contain steroid, bleaching creams, bleaching soaps, products that contain hydroquinones, products that contains mercury. Do you know what this product does to your skin? Like it damages your skin barriers, and in turns it's going to cause dark patches, dark knuckles. So this is one of the reasons why you are having that dark knuckles on your hand. So now the third causes of dark knuckles is lack of moisturization. Lack of moisturizing your skin, leaving the skin or your knuckles dry could lead to darkness of knuckles, and then your knuckles will start appearing dark, and it's very, very noticeable. So you need to stay hydrated, you need to stay moisturized, like you need to use something that is going to help to keep your skin moisturized all the time. Now let's move reason why you are having dark knuckles is because of some medical conditions could actually lead to dark knuckles. Medical conditions like PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndromes, it could cause dark knuckles. Medical conditions like type 2 diabetes, medical conditions like cancer, medical conditions like hormonal imbalance could be the reason why you are having dark knuckles. So you need to go to the hospital, meet your doctor for proper diagnosis. You need to treat the root of the cause before using something topical on your knuckles. If not, even after using something topical on your knuckles, a new one will still come out. Let's talk about the main topic of today. How do we eliminate dark knuckles? How to clear your dark knuckles? To clear out your dark knuckles, you need to wear your garment of patience. You need to be patient enough in order to clear your dark knuckles. In clearing out your dark knuckles, it's not something that you apply today and expect to see wonders and expect to see results tomorrow, or expect to see results 2, 3 days. In clearing out your dark knuckles, it could take 7 days, it could take 2 weeks, it could take 1 month, it could take 2 months, or thereabouts, depending on how consistent you are in making use of this product. Depending on how consistent you are in making use of this product, I'm going to be showing you on today's video. But the fact still remains that this product works. Like it must work. So you're going to be needing just these three items to clear your dark knuckles. This DIY, we're going to be needing just three items. So, and the first item on my list is our Blue Seal Vaseline. So this is our Blue Seal Vaseline. We're just going to be needing a little portion of this original Blue Seal Vaseline. And then the second item we're going to be needing on today's DIY is our vitamin. So I'm going to be needing these five capsules of vitamin E. We're going to be needing five capsules of vitamin E, five capsules of vitamin E. And then we're also going to be needing half a fresh lemon. So this is my fresh lemon. All I need is just half of it for this procedure. These are the three items I'm going to be using for this procedure, for this DIY, to clear your dark knuckles permanently. Lastly, we're going to be needing our small bowl and our tablespoon to prepare this DIY in order to clear your dark knuckles. So firstly, we're going to be needing a half tablespoon of our original Blue Sea Vaseline. Like, I don't know why I'm so emphasizing on the original Blue Sea Vaseline, but I know that everything has fake now. Just make sure you're getting the original of it. So we're going to be needing half a tablespoon of our Blue Sea. So I don't have a smaller spoon at home. That is more reason why I'm making use of this big spoon. Just trying to prepare a smaller quantity because I already have the one I'm making use of. So my half tablespoon of the Blue Sea Vaseline. Let's assume this is my half tablespoon of my Blue Sea Vaseline, okay? So now the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my five capsules of vitamin E. So this is my vitamin E. I'm going to be adding five capsules of this into this mixture. I don't want to call this mixture yet because I've not actually added anything into it. I'm going to be adding this into this bowl containing my Vaseline. So this is the second one. The third one. The fifth one. So, and that is all. The next thing we're going to be doing is to add our lemon. So this is the mixture. Our original Blue Silver Slay and our vitamin E capsule. This is the lemon we're going to be using. I just need half of this. This is our lemon. So I just need half of it. So now we're going to mixing the three mixture all together. I don't want to use this upper part because this one is so big. This is our mixture. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to put this in a lukewarm water so that it will melt, so that everything will melt and turn to liquid. So whenever it gets cold, it will congel together. So that is the proper way to prepare this mixture. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to be doing that. After mixing it this way, just get a lukewarm water, just put it on top of it so that the blue jelly Vaseline will dissolve it and become liquid so that when it gets cold, it will congel back and everything will be in solid form. So that is the rightful way to prepare this mixture. All you have to do for me is every night before you go to bed or after having your shower at night, just take this mixture this way. Just take this mixture, apply it on your knuckles, apply it on your knuckles, apply it on your knuckles, massage, massage. So you have to massage it on your knuckles for like 3 to 5 minutes so that the active ingredients, which is that lemon, will work on your skin. Can you see my knuckles? Can you see my hands? Make sure that the active penetrates right into your knuckles so that it will do the job. Now, after massaging your knuckles, just go to bed. Sleep with it. Sleep with it. Then the next day, which is in the morning, you can then wash it off. Please don't apply this in the morning. Don't go out with this process. Don't go out with this mixture on your hand in the morning. It will cause more harm to your skin. After washing it off in the morning, all you have to apply on your hand. You guys, can you see? Can you see my knuckles? Can you see? In the morning, apply just your Vaseline, your blue sea Vaseline. Don't use the mixture in the morning. The mixture is used only what? Only at night. Don't use it during the day. How does this my mixture work? First of all, the blue sea Vaseline is going to help to lock in moisture, soften the thick area of that particular skin. Secondly, the vitamin E, on the other hand, an antioxidant, is going to help to fade hyperpigmentation and nourish your skin. Thirdly, the lemon. The lemon has been known to be a natural skin lightening ingredient. That is the more reason why I would advise you to use this mixture during the day. Use it only at night. I beg. Use it only at night. Has been known to be a natural exfoliant that contains vitamin C. And as we all know that vitamin C is also a natural antioxidant that helps in skin brightening. It has this skin brightening property. That is the more reason why you're going to be using this process. You're going to be using this mixture. This combo is going to help to protect, to exfoliate, nourish, and protect your skin. It's exactly what your knuckles need. And that is all for today's video. This DIY is super easy, affordable, and effective. But remember, consistency is the key. Just give this combo a try. Use it for like 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. Come back under this video and give us your feedback. So guys, that is all for today's video. Let me know on the comment section if you're going to be trying out this DIY, if you're going to be trying out this combo I just shared with you guys today. This is one secret to my skincare routine. So guys, if you watch this video up to this extent, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up and like. Not just that, subscribe and share this video so that other people might also benefit from it. I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed.